it's Robin. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. Remember, if you're new, to hit that subscribe button. And I know some of you are there and you watch the videos, you like it, but you're not yet subscribed. Gotta subscribe. Thank you so much for that. So today's video, well, it's nighttime where I am. So I'm getting ready for my nighttime routine, getting ready for bed in a minute. I just moisturized my very high porosity here. And so I have this little turban situation going on because I kind of like when after moisturizing my hair, it's really wet. So before I go to bed, before I put my bonnet on, I like to put this on to kind of absorb some of the more excess moisture so that my pillowcase doesn't get all wet and mushy feeling. But that's not why we're here. Why we're here is I just wanted to give you a little bit of quickly show you what has become some of sort of my staple products that I use to care for my braces. One of the things they told me when I got my braces put in was you have to care for it, especially the way you brush. You have to be precise and meticulous in the way you do that. And I did mention in my previous video, my first video, why I'm on YouTube. And if you haven't seen it, stop, go back, watch it. I'll link it somewhere up here or right here. Click on it, watch it, and then come back and watch this one. Deal? Awesome. So yeah, I mentioned in that video that kind of the reason why I opted for braces over Invisalign was the propensity to stain with Invisalign. I do promise that in my next video I will give you all of the background and the reason and the science behind why Invisalign stains and braces doesn't necessarily stain. Yeah, so for nighttime I have my glass. Summer is gone, but I'm not letting go of summer. So I still have my little pineapple going on. I have my lemon and my ice cubes in my bottle, in my little jar here, and I like to drink this before I go to bed. So it's kind of giving you a little bit of insight as to what I do before bed. I do have my light and I do have my diffuser going so you can see a little bit of mist. Do you see it? See a little bit of mist going on. I do have my candle, and like I said, I just moisturized my hair. So now I'm about to take care of my teeth, and I want to show you what I do to take care of my teeth. I brought you into my bathroom, and I'm going to show you my staple products that I use to take care of my teeth and my braces. So I love, ooh, can you see the smoke coming out of this? Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful, and it changes lights too. So it's amazing. There it is. Can you guys see the smoke? Amazing. But yeah, we digress. Not why we're here. So yeah, I love white teeth. I'm obsessed. And it is important for me to keep my teeth white even while I have my braces on, and so that after my braces come off, I will still have white teeth. So this is kind of how I do it. Eating with braces, anyone that has braces know, it's a pain. Food gets stuck up in there. It's annoying. So what I do is I use this. I like to use plaques. So I pre-brush. Can't talk today, not pre-brush, but I have my pre-brush rinse, and I use this one. This is plaques. It's super awesome. It has a really nice minty taste, and just go in for 10 seconds, whoosh, 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 spit. It's kind of gross. You see all the nasty gunk, but it gets the job done. I live in Nova Scotia. It's extremely cold. It's like a freezer. So whenever I run out of my plaques, I always use baking soda and charcoal. Now, those two, baking soda and charcoal, they both can be used on their own because they both have their amazing whitening properties, but I'm extra. So I usually mix them together with some lukewarm water. Swoosh. I count in my head 10 seconds. Swish, swish, swish. And then I spit, and that gets the job done. Right after that, I usually go in with my floss. And you know the thread feed-in flosser that they give you when you get your braces? I don't have time for that. It's annoying and it's a really long process. And I did mention in my other video, go link it here, I'm busy. So I found this electronic flosser. I'm not sure what the name is, but I'll figure it out and I'll link it below. You hear that? Amazing. And look at the head. Gets all up in between the wires and the bracket. Done. It just gets in between there, gets the job done. So I always go in with this right after this. And then the next thing for me, again, like I said, it is super important for me to keep my teeth white. So I have found this. Absolutely love it. It's the Oral-B Pro 500, my electronic toothbrush. They say you should brush for at least 2 minutes. I kind of go extra because I have braces in. But what I love about this is the little pink thing in the middle there. That's like a whitener, so it will give your teeth that extra whitening boost. So I love that. And lastly, my absolute favorite in the world, and this video is not sponsored, so just showing you guys what I use, what I love, my favorite products. I swear by them. So the next thing is this, and this is my Crest Pro Health Gum Detoxifier. Now, a little bit of disclaimer, there's nothing wrong with my gum. I don't have gum disease or anything, but when I got my braces in first, the orthodontist did tell me how to brush. So you have to get up on there, like, so you brush above and below the gum line, upper and lower. And this, what this does is it gets up in there and it cleans your gum, detoxifies it. So I'm thinking, okay, sometimes when you go above and below the gum line, and even though you do your pre-brush rinse, your flossing, you do tend to miss stuff. So this is like an extra step for me that's going to prevent staining. So, and then whenever you use it, you feel these little bubbles, and I love, to me, call me crazy, but even in all my shampoos, I put peppermint oil because the tingling sensation tells me that it's working. So similarly with this, the little bubbles tells me that it's working and it's cleaning all the gunk up in my gum. So I swear by this. I will never use anything else but this. So yeah, these are like my staple products, guys. What I use, because my braces are going to be off in another year. So once they come off, I expect that my teeth will still be white. So this is the extra step that I take to ensure that my teeth stay pearly white. And yeah, so that's all for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, hit me up in the comment section. Let me know what you guys use to care for your braces, and let me know if you use any of these products. Yeah, thanks for watching. Remember the mantra. The mantra is, say it with me. Say it with me. The mantra is not your best, but always live your blessed life. Thanks for watching, guys. Love you. See you in the next one. Bye. Good night. Take a sip of my water. Refreshing. Amazing. Good night.
I do believe I'm something special. Can't take that from me.